Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today I want to talk to you about student loans. The problem with student loans, of course, is in bankruptcy, they're not dischargeable unless you prove to the court that repaying the student loans would cause you an undue hardship, you and your family an undue hardship. Student loans used to be dischargeable in bankruptcy, and they used to be dischargeable if they were in repayment status for 7 years or longer, which meant you didn't have to be making payments on them. They just had to be in repayment status. I'm flying out to Washington, D.C. this week. Actually, I'm going to be going to Washington, D.C. on the 13th of September. And I'm meeting with Senator Franken's office to discuss ways in which we can add student loans back into bankruptcy in some way. Either having them completely dischargeable, which would be fantastic, and have a sunset provision on it. Have it dischargeable for a period of 3 years, and then after that, if you haven't filed, it's not dischargeable. Or have it dischargeable if you file a Chapter 13 and make payments for a certain amount of time, sort of a student loan Chapter 13 super discharge. Or go back to this system where, look, if they've been in repayment status for a certain number of years, it's dischargeable. The problem with student loan debt is, to me, it's like slavery. You don't get away from it. And what we've done to our kids and to each other, I think, is frankly disgusting. And the person left holding the bag, the student, is usually the least sophisticated person in the room. The banks win and the schools win. I'm going to report back when I get back from Washington, D.C. We'll see how it goes. When the time is right, when you're ready to get your life back, click the button above. You'll be glad you did. Have a good day.